LRU Cache, least recently used. It's a way of deciding what to keep when you can't keep everything. Tap back into an app you were using a minute ago, and it's just there. Tap one you haven't opened since last spring, and you sit and watch it load. Same phone, same app. The difference is whether something kept a copy close by. That's all a cache is. The catch is that close by is expensive. You don't get much of it, so you pick a size and live inside it. Room for 3 here. Open Maps, and it takes the top slot. Then Music. Then Chat. Newest on top, so reading down the stack is reading backwards through your morning. Now go back to Maps. It's already in there, so nothing loads, and it jumps straight to the top. That's the bit people skip past. Just looking something up changes the order. Open Camera and you're stuck. 3 slots, 3 apps, nothing free. Something has to go, and it's whatever is sitting at the bottom. Music. You did use it. You just used it longer ago than everything else, which makes it the safest thing to lose. That's the whole rule, and that's where the name comes from. The top is what you touched a second ago. The bottom is what you've ignored the longest, and the bottom is what goes. Underneath, it's 2 things doing 2 jobs. A doubly linked list keeps the order, head to tail, every node holding onto the one before it and the one after. A hash map keeps the keys and points straight at the nodes. The list knows what's oldest. The map knows where everything lives, which is why it doesn't get slower as it fills up. A get is 1 lookup, then a few pointers rewired to drag that node to the front. A put that overflows drops the tail and links the new one in. Nothing gets searched. Nothing gets shuffled. 3 rules, that's it. Newest goes on top. Used again, back to the top. No room, and the bottom one leaves.